This video, let me demonstrate how to make use of your speed limiter in the cruise control. Press the limit button and you can see to set limit, make use of the plus or minus to increase or decrease the speed. So at present I'm using 35, so vehicle will not cross 35 km/h. In case if you want to cross more than 35, you long press your accelerator and after 2 seconds the vehicle will automatically burst open and it will increase your speed. This is for emergency overtaking, and if you leave your pedal it automatically drops to the desired speed that we have set before. And that is how you make use of Ford EcoSport cruise control speed limiter. To make use of the cruise control, press this cruise button. It will ask for the speed. Set the speed and it will just remain on the speed that you have set. In case if you want to overspeed, press your throttle and you can burst open to the desired speed. And this is how you make use of your speed control here. And in case if you want to go beyond the speed without touching the accelerator in the cruise control, you can make use of the plus and minus button here to increase or decrease the speed without touching the accelerator. As of now, I have not used the accelerator. See, I have not used the accelerator. To increase or decrease the speed, you can make use of this buttons here. So this gives you ample control over your vehicle.